We hope to see you again next week for another breathtaking pyro musical only from SM Motivation.
Tubig na naman.